Hi, I'm Sarah Ferris with Platinum Idaho Real Estate, and we're at 3429 Dove in Boise, and we're going to do a quick little tour. So it's kind of nice. This home is on a cul-de-sac. It's kind of tucked into this middle of Boise, so you've got easy access to the interstate, easy access to both of the malls. Kind of get anywhere you need to go very quickly. They do have RV parking at this home, which is nice. Let's go ahead and go inside. So this home is a split level. So upstairs you do have a really nice large great room, open dining and kitchen, nice closet space, plenty of storage in this home. So very nice deck upstairs. Overlooking the neighborhood. It's got a nice open kitchen, lots of cabinet storage, newer faucet, all matching white appliances. And then down here you've got your full bath, and then two very nice sized bedrooms, as well as a nice large linen closet behind this closet. Let's go take a look outside on this deck. Got a nice, almost park-like atmosphere back here. This home has a dog run and a storage shed. So this home has some nice new luxury vinyl plank flooring as well as new carpet throughout. So let's go check out downstairs. So downstairs we have two more bedrooms, which means 4 bedrooms and 2 full baths. This bathroom downstairs has been redone. So you'll see a new shower setup and some new flooring, as well as a new light fixture. And then 2 more good-sized bedrooms and more storage. And then you'll walk out into a nice big great room again. So second living room. This one has a nice office space, or you could just extend your living room space. Lots of nice bright natural light down here with these egress windows. Then under stairs storage. And then we've got the laundry room over here with the newer HVAC system and the water heater. So if you have any questions about this home or want to see it in person, you can contact myself or Lauren Mikowski, the listing agent. Our contact information will be shown next. or you can visit us at platinumidaho.com.